The dump extension identifies a Windows crash dump file containing system memory state captured during a crash or failure event. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you analyze or troubleshoot these crash diagnostic files. For those complex DUMP formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. DUMP files are Windows crash dump files containing captured system memory state at the time of a crash or failure. They include thread stacks, loaded module lists, register values, and memory contents for post-mortem analysis of system crashes and application failures. Windows DUMP files use Microsoft's dump file format, with headers identifying the dump type full kernel or minidump, followed by memory region data, thread contexts, exception records, and loaded module lists for diagnostic analysis. Your first application to test with DUMP should be Windows Debugger, WinDbg from Microsoft Corporation. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows relies on these files for essential operations, so they should remain untouched. The solution usually starts here. Right-click the DUMP file and select Open With. Try Windows Debugger, WinDbg as your first attempt. If you don't see it, choose another application. Keep testing until the file cooperates. When your DUMP file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The failure of the file is predictable. Here are the most common technical reasons this specific DUMP error occurs on most Windows systems. First, analyzing with WinDbg. Install WinDbg from the Windows SDK or Microsoft Store. Open the dump file via File, then open Crash Dump. Run Analyze IFE for automated analysis, identifying the faulting module exception type and probable cause with stack trace details. Next, using Blue Screen View. For minidump files, use Nearsoft's Blue Screen View for user-friendly analysis. The tool displays all crash dumps with faulting drivers, bug check codes, and highlighted problematic modules. This provides quick identification of crash causes without debugging expertise. Finally, identifying root causes. Common crash. Causes include faulty device drivers, outdated firmware memory corruption, and hardware failures. Update drivers identified as faulting modules in the dump analysis. Run memtest. 86 for memory testing and check hard drive health with manufacturer diagnostic tools. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.